Cadaviz is the world's most advanced virtual dissection table, designed to bring anatomy, imaging, and clinical understanding into one powerful learning environment. With ultra-detailed 3D anatomy, learners can explore the human body layer by layer, from skin and muscles to vessels, nerves, and internal organs. Powered by depth and scale, Cadaviz brings together 8 real cadavers, over 7,000 anatomical labels, 45+ block dissections, 500+ OSPE cases, and 1,200+ DICOM datasets in one unified platform. Now, let's explore the modules that make Cadaviz complete. Thousands of anatomical structures can be rotated, isolated, labeled, and studied from every possible angle. Cadaviz enables lifelike virtual dissections using intelligent tools and precise custom cuts. With window dissection, learners can draw on any surface of the body to incise the marked region of interest, cut through various structures, and dive deeper into the body layer by layer. Structures can be highlighted, enabling a clearer understanding of complex spatial relationships. Anatomy comes alive through dynamic simulations, including animated blood circulation and a realistically beating heart. Learners can step inside the body through immersive endoscopic fly-through experiences like cardioscopy, ureteroscopy, bronchoscopy, and more. Explore anatomical landmarks, clinically relevant pathologies, and practice realistic diagnostic navigation through immersive procedural simulations. Cadaviz also reveals how the body communicates through animated neural pathways that demonstrate functional connectivity. With the built-in ultrasound viewer, students can simulate real scanning techniques. Educators and students can instantly load structure demonstrations using built-in activity presets. Learners can effortlessly transform their finger into a virtual scalpel, precisely dissecting in any direction and at any depth to reveal intricate anatomical layers and hidden structures with unmatched clarity. Cadaviz unifies all learning through intelligent cross-module mapping. As exploration continues, Cadaviz seamlessly transitions from organs to the framework that supports them. A dedicated osteology experience allows in-depth study of bones, joints, and skeletal relationships. Interactive muscle movement simulations show exactly how muscles act on bones to produce motion. Learners can now explore joint motions and muscle anatomy with interactive 3D visualization. Select any joint to observe realistic movements and access detailed anatomical information. Reinforce your learning with interactive quizzes and clinical case studies. Radiology. Gain a practical edge by analyzing case studies with radiological investigations like CT, MRI scans, and X-ray images. Cadaviz also connects anatomy to modern diagnostics through an integrated radiology experience. Cadaviz now bridges the gap between gross anatomy and medical imaging through MAP, CT, and MRI datasets. This integrated approach helps learners connect radiological images with the anatomical structures they represent. The enhanced DICOM viewer offers access to over 1,200 DICOM datasets with advanced measurement and annotation tools for precise imaging analysis. DICOM data can also be transformed into interactive 3D models, enabling learners to segment and explore structures such as the lungs using the virtual scalpel. Learners can correlate cross-sectional imaging directly with three-dimensional anatomy. High-resolution histology enables detailed study of cells, layers, and microstructures. From structure and imaging, learning naturally extends into the microscopic world. Discover the dynamic world of human physiology through engaging and interactive learning topics. Explore the fundamental processes that govern the functioning of the human body with visually rich content that brings complex physiological mechanisms to life, and gain a deeper understanding of how organ systems work together to maintain life, balance, and homeostasis. Users can extensively explore cardiovascular physiology module through an interactive 12-lead ECG synchronized with the cardiac cycle. Understand the relationship between heart rhythm, systole, diastole, tachycardia, and bradycardia through immersive real-time visualization. Embryology. Cadaviz also allows you to learn about prenatal development, diagnoses, and therapeutics with detailed, compelling 3D animations. With the help of anatomically accurate 3D fetal models that demonstrate development from weeks 4 to 40, explore week-by-week growth and structural changes across major body systems, while correlating developmental anatomy with ultrasound and advanced radiological imaging for deeper prenatal understanding. An extensive histopathology library allows learners to understand how diseases alter normal tissue architecture. With the Dissection module, learners can closely examine expertly dissected specimens, rotating, zooming, and navigating through anatomical layers to gain a clear, detailed understanding of structures from every angle in 3D. Users would be able to master the intramuscular injection procedure through immersive, hands-on simulation, interact with patients, prepare equipment, administer the injection safely, and reinforce best clinical practices with real-time feedback. OSPE. Gain access to over 700 OSPE cases and 100-plus clinical simulations through Cadaviz's extensive clinical case library featuring a wide range of pathologies including rare conditions. This unified approach transforms memorization into true clinical understanding. To reinforce learning, Cadaviz includes built-in modular quizzes and activity-based assessments. Trusted by institutions across India, the USA, Italy, the Netherlands, the Philippines, Poland, Nepal, Curaçao, and a rapidly growing network of medical institutions worldwide, Cadaviz is redefining anatomy education. Whether in classrooms, laboratories, or self-learning environments, Cadaviz adapts to modern medical education. Cadaviz is not just a product. It is a complete digital foundation for anatomy and medical science learning. Cadaviz, experience the human body like never before.